What if your next SDR wasn't a person, but an AI? That's exactly what MyWorker.AI is promising. It's an AI-powered platform that gives you fully digital sales reps like Alex that can research leads, send personalized emails, follow up, and build your pipeline completely on autopilot. In this video, I'm diving deep into what MyWorker.AI is, how it works, what makes it different from tools like Luna.ai, and whether it's ready to replace your sales team or just assist it. So let's begin. So first, what is MyWorker.ai? It's not just another cold outreach tool. It's more like hiring a digital employee. On the homepage, they introduce Alex, your 24/7 AI SDR. Alex isn't just sending emails. She's researching leads, writing tailored messages, analyzing replies, and syncing everything with your sales stack. In short, Alex handles the busy work, while your real sales team focuses on closing. Let's talk about how Alex works. Once you activate your AI worker, here's what they can do. First, target ideal leads using LinkedIn, job titles, industries, and signals. Second, enrich contact data with company information, email addresses, and contacts. Third, personalized cold outreach, and not just with first name, but full messaging tuned to industry, pain points, and role. Fourth, automate follow-ups based on opens, replies, or no response. Fifth, book meetings directly on your calendar. Sixth, update your CRM like HubSpot or Salesforge with every new touchpoint. It's literally a mini sales machine powered by AI with none of the burnout. Now here's where it gets really interesting. Personalization. This isn't your typical mail merge tool. Alex uses real-time signals from LinkedIn, enriched firmographics, and conversation history to tailor each email. It even adjusts the tone depending on audience, formal for enterprise, friendly for startups. From the screenshots, you can also see the pipeline visualizer. Alex builds outreach flows that adapt based on how prospects engage. If they open but don't reply, she follows up with a new angle. If they reply but aren't ready, she nurtures them over time. So how does Alex compare to a real SDR? MyWorker.ai actually gives a breakdown on the site. And here's what stood out. Alex works 24/7. No amimir, no salary. She scales infinitely. You want 5 times the pipeline? Just turn on more messages. She doesn't forget to follow up, doesn't make typos, and doesn't ghost leads. Cost-wise, she's a fraction of a junior SDR, without any training required. That said, you're not getting a human brain. So if your sales requires deep conversations or navigating complex objections, Alex will need a human partner. But for top of funnel work, she's relentless. And she can also handle integrations. Alex syncs with your entire GTM stack. From what I saw, there's native support for Gmail and Outlook, LinkedIn, Salesforce, HubSpot, and Pipedrive, Slack, Notion, and Airtable, plus marketing tools like Apollo, Clearbit, and Zapier. In short, wherever you work, Alex fits in. Now let's talk about who is this for. If you're a solo founder, a lean team, or even a busy agency that wants to scale outbound without hiring SDRs, this tool is a game changer. You're saving thousands in salaries, skipping the hiring and training process, and getting a predictable, automated outbound engine. But if you run a high-touch sales process, or if brand voice and nuances are critical to every message, you'll probably want to treat Alex as an assistant, not a replacement. If you found this video valuable, please consider subscribing. Let's carry on. So, what's the final verdict? MyWorker.ai, and Alex in particular, could be the most advanced execution of the AI SDR. It combines intelligent personalization, pipeline automation, and CRM integration into one cohesive, user-friendly experience. It's not just another cold email tool, it's an actual digital worker. If you've been stuck sending cold emails manually or overwhelmed managing a sales team, this might be your next best hire. And she doesn't take lunch breaks. But of course, it's for you to decide. That's why I suggest you take a look at other AI sales agents I reviewed right here. If you tried MyWorker.ai or are curious how it stacks up against tools like Agent Frank, drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear your take. And also comment if you want more deep dives into real AI tools that are changing the game for founders. More breakdowns coming soon. It was me, Sam. Have a good one and peace.